Hi there, and welcome to another exciting episode of the Ask Dr. Jack Show. I am Dr. Jack Belitz, your host, and we are here to answer the questions that you ask. This week, I had a patient came in who was suffering from some irritable bowel syndrome problems. And I've done a couple of different episodes on that particular issue, and I just happened to see another report last week, and so I figured I'd pull it up and see what it was about. And this study was really amazing, and it's not going to help everybody with this issue, but it can help a lot of people with the issue. And it involves peppermint oil, of all things. And this study was heavily weighted on women than it was men, but of course there are more women that are affected by IBS than there are men, so that's not a big deal. And what they did was they gave these participants some peppermint oil every day, and they found that it worked even better than the pharmaceutical treatments that they were using. So how cool is that? So basically what you do is you take 2 drops of peppermint or so and put them on your tongue, or you can put them in a glass of water and drink the water real quick. Now, I will tell you that there were a couple people that did suffer some nausea, and 1 or 2 people even had some vomiting. So, if you do have those symptoms, that might be a side effect of it, and may mean that you're not good for this. However, peppermint tea might be good for that type of person. So, if you're looking for a good, fairly safe, well, really safe, way to kind of look at irritable bowel syndrome, peppermint oil seems to be a really good idea to start with. Now, remember, what is irritable bowel syndrome? It's where the bowel just is not getting all of the muscle contractions coordinated correctly so that the bowel can, do what it's supposed to do and move the food through it. Well, if you don't have your nervous system running at full speed, then there's a good chance that that might be causing it. So I would really highly recommend, if this is an issue for you or a loved one, that you come into the office and get an exam real quick. If you mention this episode of the Ask Dr. Jack Show, we will do the exam for only $5. So how easy is that? I'm excited to help you out with this issue if we possibly can. It's so much better than having to take drugs the rest of your life. It's just amazing. So anyway, that's it for this episode of the Ask Dr. Jack Show. I am, of course, Dr. Jack Belitz, a chiropractor in Omaha, Nebraska, and I'm not here to give you medical advice. I'm just here to give you some options that you can use to decide if they are right for you. Look forward to seeing you on the next episode, and have an awesome and healthy day.